Oh wait, I played this the first week and I bought the
Highly
skin.
explosive. Doesn't look like it, dude. Wait, dude, it
In
says
here.
it's 5.2 meters too tall. Let's knock it down a little bit.
Finally.
Dude, it's still 3.2 meters too tall. We gotta knock it down a little bit more. Yeah, let's just get the fire out. Alright.
Oh,
We have a new mission.
what is it?
I don't know. Alright, let's just hop on
Let me
in.
get.
Can you not get in?
1 sec. Let me just
Here,
make
wait.
make
I'll can
Let me make a
try
quick.
and make it go down? Oh, there you go, yeah. You can hop on this one. Hop on this one. Hop in this one.
It probably still works.
Alright, well. Okay, so we have to do something with the computers.
You get out of this building.
We have to. No! Can you open that door, please? Can you like?
Yeah, 1 sec.
No, well, I think you've got to.
There was a video game or TV show thing with these laser open the door.
Yeah, thanks. Hold up, let me. Get up!
Oh,
there's so much fire! Don't there's so much fire!
Did we save the
Okay.
day?
I think we saved the day. All right, let's go down. Grab valuable. Dude, we just made 60 bucks. All right, Tom. I'm gonna drop down. We're gonna do. Oh. Okay.
I didn't notice that those were explosives. Sorry.
All right.
I won't do that again.
Let's lock in. Let's lock in. We'll speed run it. We'll speed run it. Okay. Watch this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
I probably could have just opened that door, I think. Go through the factory. Computer, where is it?
You long mega luxurious dry hot rusted.
Let me through. Let me through.
Okay, my car is totaled.
Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, speed run over to here.
Going. Where do we need to go? Oh, are you kidding me? Dude, is there a run button?
No.
Or you go faster with the
But,
katana?
yeah, you have to use the katana. Oh, I forgot! I forgot about that! I forgot about that! Get the fire! Get the fire! No! So wait, is what we're doing illegal?
Yeah, bro.
I wasn't aware. It's somewhere in here. I don't know where though. It might be in here.
Let me help you
It
in.
probably is in here. Ah, too easy. Come on now. Hopefully they don't they don't notice in the morning that they got broken into. I feel like I will.
You will regret it.
What is happening? Yeah. There's only one way to stop this.
I can't move.
There's only one way to end things.
Alright, dude, only use it for beneficial use cases.
Yeah, beneficial use. Why do you have it equipped?
I need to get through this building.
It's a different mission, Tom.
Wait, why does it say I died?
Cause you did.
I should not die, bro. I was still shitty.
Dude,
Alright, let's be serious.
let's not do insane things anymore. No!
Wait, what? Did we die? Oh.
Cause you killed me. So, first things first, do not turn on explosions. I think what we should do is just explode that entire building. Or destroy it, not explode it. So, okay. I said not to turn that mode on, actually.
Yo, what? We're going
Whoa!
against. You feel that I've got rumble on my controller. Let me try it with spray cam.
That was not the spray can, Tom.
What do you mean?
I swear to God, if you die. We got it! You didn't get yours! What did you do? Tom, what the frick? No pianos. Oh, is he? He might be dead. He might have died, guys. Piano warfare. Oh God. Okay, Tom, this time, no pianos. No pianos.
Alright, 3, 2, now.
Okay.
So, wait, where are you? Okay, I made it easy to get through.
Easy. Go to the escape. Go to the escape. Go to the escape.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't get that light. Yeah.
We're out of here.
Yes.
Okay, Tom, I swear to God, no piano fall.
He's got to let me in.
I know, but you wouldn't get in.
How are you talking about?
Let's go.
What's over there?
Island. Get on this. I feel like I'm drowning. No. Get me away from here! Get me away! Get me far, far away.
What's a fire alert? What's a farmer?
Don't put them on explosive. Oh my God! I just knocked it off the face of the earth. Office safe. Watch out, it's raining.
I'm not in here anymore.
Jesus Christ. Alright. Now, it just comes with me.
How close can I get without touching the rocks at the shore?
Oh wow, you're almost here.
Oh, there's rocks at the shore.
Here. Okay, let me just... Alright.
I'm gonna get it on here.
You're gonna have to bring it a bit closer. Park it as close as you can, man. Okay. Maybe I should just... That'll probably work. We can just have it in there. Okay. We're gonna just have it in the lower deck, I think. That's just what we'll do.
Okay, go down there with it.
There we go. Alright. Let's leave.
Where do we even have to go?
We don't have to go anywhere. We just have to put it in the water. So,
Let's go somewhere farther to make it realistic.
Yeah, because, you know, we need to make sure no one's getting this safe. This is the line crossing rules and check. Oh! Bring it back, bring her back. Okay, wait. We're gonna have to be able to use the boat to get back. So, oh, it kicked you out.
Oh.
Oh.
I just want to say goodbye to this boat.
Okay. Don't die, please. All that fire, you know, should just wash off. Okay. Now, what's the optional thing? Warehouse safe. There's another safe.
Alright, I'll go get another boat.
It's right up under.
Get the boat, Alan. Does that count?
Yeah, it'll count. It's in the water.
Look,
I don't have a boat, bro.
why can't I get out?
You're out of the boat. What do you mean?
I'm still in it, bro.
There you
Oh,
go.
oh, one.
All right.
Alright, when are you ready?
I think we both just go. Wrong car.
You going first.
Okay, wait. Just go into the circle. Yo!
Now I'm going. Yeah!
Oh my god. Wait, do we still have time to do another? That only took 16 minutes. Do you want to do another?
Yep.
Alright.
Wait, I'll be back. I'm gonna quickly get some snacks. Feel hungry. What is going on, bro?
Nothing.
I had piano tiles as I was walking up the stairs. Oh. Seems I know The Simpsons.
Nothing's happening, bro.
Yo, dude, this is wait, this is the
We're-
one with the racing track, dude. Let's race.
Yeah, we're dumping 3
I've
of his
played this
cars
one
in the
before.
water.
Come with me, dude. There's a racing track over here. Let's race. Now we're both the same car. Oh, I just hit a crazy drift. You're hacking. You're hacking.
Dude, I'm actually insane.
You're hacking. Oh my God, he's hacking. Oh, no.
That's just cheating! He's cheating! Ugh. I gotta win! I gotta win!
Just annihilated you, bro.
Dude, this looks like a crash. This looks like a horrible crash, bro. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. If this becomes a video. So,